Just one anecdote from our first year. The professors were great. Some of them were characters, some of them were actors. Some of them really enjoyed presenting in a rather dramatic fashion. And one of those was Francis Pascal, who taught civil procedure. And he could be stern, he was tough on the students, but all of us liked him a great deal. And it was a year-long course, very intense. And as we got into the spring, we'd been through a lot of the sort of dull stuff, and now we were getting actually into what happened in a trial, what happens if you prevailed, and what happens if you prevailed is that you got a judgment in favor of your client. And in one particular class, we were talking about judgments, and Professor Pascal was questioning one of the law students, and he had him going for quite a while, and he said, "Now, Mr. So-and-so," he said, "let's be clear about this." He said, "When you get to the end of the litigation rainbow and you have your judgment, have you finished the job for your client?" And the guy practically leaped out of the chair and said, "Yes." Professor Pascal said, "No, you have not. You have a piece of paper. You haven't done anything until you execute on the judgment." And I'll never forget it. It was just absolutely wonderful. And by the way, highly accurate in the sense that I think too many younger lawyers in those days might pursue claims that were valid in every respect, but that had zero or very little chance of ever being realized in monetary terms. So don't waste your client's money.